This machine is a fully automated packaging solution designed for cosmetic creams, hair serums, and body lotions. It integrates liquid filling, foil sealing, cap feeding, and cap tightening into one streamlined system, ensuring consistent and hygienic packaging results. Equipped with a magnetic pump and anti-drip nozzles, it delivers precise dosing with minimal waste. The machine's pneumatic pusher enables accurate product positioning, while adjustable heat sealing ensures secure and uniform seals across various film types. Ideal for cosmetic manufacturers seeking efficiency, precision, and professional-grade packaging.